Hi, hello, hello.
Hello, I,
Hello, Kyle.
it's I late?
It's okay. Only 1 minute.
Oh,
Only 1 minute, so that's all right. How are you?
I'm good and hot,
Wow.
gripping, dropping.
Did you play soccer?
No,
What did you do?
I play some cards.
Okay, that's very cool. I
Money,
like your.
money card.
Oh, I
It's
see.
sell a take
Okay, well,
and
that
a lot.
sounds interesting. And tell me who won? Who was the winner?
We had a lot.
So
Uh,
many winners?
yeah, because we play a lot of time.
Okay, all right. That sounds like a lot of fun. And did you go to school today?
No, because it's a hurricane.
So is it school still summer holiday or typhoon?
Typhoon.
Oh no. Well, stay safe. Now,
But it's not. It did not rain, and
okay, I
it
see.
it's sun high up in the sky.
Oh, lovely.
No
Here
cloud,
it's sunny and cloudy, but I feel cool today. Very cool.
and I feel hot. Plus
What's
plus plus
the,
plus 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 plus
is that a remote for the fan or the air conditioner?
for a fan.
For the fan. Okay.
Look, plus 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 plus.
I see. What is the temperature today?
What's the
Is it,
temperature?
for me, it's 15 degrees.
I don't know.
All right, that's okay.
27.
27 degrees. My goodness, that is very hot.
So
Well, stay cool.
I I could give you free letter. HOT.
Hmm?
Thank you.
Oh, I need some ice cream. That will make me feel
I need
better.
I need some dinner.
Are you going to eat after class?
Yes.
What are you having for dinner?
Hmm. It looks like some egg. Some, hmm.
Eggs and vegetables?
I didn't see any. He's cooking now. She's
Who
cooking
is
now.
cooking?
Mom.
Oh, mom. Nice. Well, enjoy your dinner. Well, let's look at our story today. It's about, achoo! Sneeze. It's about sneezing. What happens to our bodies
Achoo!
when we sneeze? Let's see what happens and why do we sneeze? But first, let's have a look at some new words. The first one is contract.
Contract. Track.
It
Trapped.
be it sounds like track. It means it become bigger or become smaller.
I am bigger. Look.
So contract your body. Make it smaller. So contract means become smaller. So our when we sneeze, shoo, Cool. So our bodies come together. Contract. Let's look at the next one. What's that next one? D?
Defensive.
So defense. Right. Now it means to protect. Look at the line of defense. Protect. Protecting line.
You.
Thank you. So then we've got a diaphragm. A diaphragm is our stomach area. I'll show you a picture of our diaphragm. Diaphragm. Let's see. I'll show you. It's a muscle that helps us breathe. No, I'll share my screen with you.
Did you hear that?
All right. Can you see my picture?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So here we have this is our lungs. To help us breathe. And at the bottom, this muscle here is called our diaphragm. Diaphragm. Okay, so we have our lungs and our diaphragm.
Did you hear my stomach growling?
No, are you hungry?
We're halfway there, or maybe not.
Well, let's see how fast we can read.
Maybe not.
I'll type here for you so we can remember. And then we also spoke about the lungs. Lungs. Air moves through it. So we breathe with our lungs.
Like popping a balloon. Pop my skin. Pop my skin.
So if we open a balloon and close it, that's how our lungs work. But rejects. If I reject something, what does that mean?
How to say the germs.
So reject is like, no, I don't want it. If I say, do you want a job? No, I reject. So I say,
Did you want this?
So no, I reject. And that last one, of course, we know sneezing is our... Exactly. Right, let's read them one more time. Can you read that first one for us?
Contract.
The next one.
Defense.
Excellent. Now the tricky one. Diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
Right, almost there. Lungs.
Lungs.
Good.
Reject.
And the last one. Sneezing. Right, so we have contract becomes smaller. Defense, diaphragm, lungs, reject, and sneezing. All right, let's see how we use these words into sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's have a look.
I'm for looking. I'm ready looking. I'm already looking at the sneezing.
Wonderful. Let's look at the first page. The reason
The reason of sneezing is really quiet, clear. You breathe in some dust and blow it out the air.
good. Now, dust is in the air. If I go like this, shh, maybe you see on my finger, I touch the table. Now there's dust. Mm, and it can be dirty. It means my table is dirty now. Achoo! Let's see another one.
Your nose get a tickle because of the dust. Your body rejects it. It should and it must.
It says your body says, no, 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 I don't like dust. So it rejects it.
Sometimes, sometimes you see it in the
Yes,
sunlight. In the
in the
sunlight.
light.
Have you ever
Yes,
seen it?
yes, I have.
It's
That's
a
a good
lot,
point.
and I will do this. So go away, go away, go away.
Yeah, you reject it. You say no, no, no. So our bodies reject it too. But what happens before a sneeze?
Crack.
Right, the way that
Let's take a peek. Cute.
so the way that
The way that you sneeze, it's it's always the same.
information,
Information is sent to your lungs from your brain.
it says here, brain says, lungs, there is dust in the air. What can we do to reject it and say, no, we don't like it?
Many muscles contract
Contract,
and pushes me through. That's your
diaphragm,
diaphragm, belly, the chest, muscles too.
so they all become smaller. So then
Like
they
this,
push.
like this. Ding, 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 ding.
Just like that. Yeah, so they become smaller and push the sneeze out. Yeah, exactly. But now let's look at our face. What happens to our face?
What? What's this? What's
That's
this?
your
It's tongue.
tongue.
Tongue. Boom. Boom.
Hmm.
Some
Now let's see
flames
what.
to make the tongue up.
Yeah, you're right. But let's see what happens to our eyes and our tongue
Your eyes shut. The tongue's on the floor.
on the
The
roof.
roof of your mouth.
This
This
forces.
forces your nose to blow that breath out.
Good. So
I
our
try it.
eyes close and our tongue
I think when I do that, I could breathe louder like this.
get more air in your mouth. But now your eyes shut so it protects your eyes and your tongue goes to your roof of your mouth to push to push the air out. But let's look. And then, how fast is our sneeze?
and blow it uh, out. It will. The exploders with
It
it
explodes.
explodes with great power. A sneeze can go 100 miles an in your
In an
an
hour.
hour.
That's 161 kilometers per hour. That is faster than a cheetah, almost like a rocket and a car. Now
I
that
think
air is
it's
very
not
fast.
not like a rocket. Rocket is so quick.
Yeah, let's see. I'll see how fast.
But it's
I'll
a
see how.
silly thing. How could we ever never sneeze those things out? We
Let's see
couldn't
how.
sneeze a cheetah out. We can't sneeze a race car out. We can't sneeze a rocket out.
Yeah, that's a bit silly, but just to show us how fast it can really go. It can be very, very fast, that
Is it
air.
faster
That
than that?
Yes, I think so. But let's go see what happens when we're sick. We sneeze more.
Are you sick in bed with a cold or the
Flu?
flu? You know this will cause you to sneeze a lot too.
Yeah, so you will sneeze a lot more when you are sick.
But
Look at all those
but
tissues.
but when I'm sick, I wasn't like that. I wasn't
I,
sick like this face. The biggest problem of sick didn't my face didn't turn green.
so that means he is very, very, very sick.
Hmm.
But let's see. Why do we sneeze?
Think of a sneeze as a
Natural
natural
alarm.
alarm. A sneeze is a different
Defense.
defense that keeps us from harm.
So it's our bodies protecting us.
Like this,
That's
like this. It goes like this.
the eyes of the monster.
No, the time will go like this.
Oh, the
One,
clock.
two, three, 4, 5, achoo! One,
So it
two,
is like an
three,
alarm clock.
4, 5, achoo!
Now
One,
let's see,
two.
what should we keep in mind when we sneeze?
Next time you sneeze, keep in mind a
Come on.
command.
Come on. Now let's go see what are three commands. The three things we have to keep in mind when we
But it
sneeze.
said one thing.
He says, aha, remember.
Oh.
So let's see. Look at
And
those.
he has a baby. His eats so much. Its stomach.
Yeah,
It's
I
bigger than
see.
mine. Like it's bigger than this.
I see, I see. So right, Kyle, let's see, what do we keep in mind?
Cover your nose with your arm or your hand. Ah!
Why do we do that? Why don't we sneeze like this?
Because that when we sneeze, bad germs get out. And if someone said, "Aha!" Like, ah, germs.
So can they, if I'm sick, can they get sick?
They will get sick too.
Yeah,
The
they will
people
get
you
sick.
sneeze, they will
Yeah,
get sick.
If you sneeze on someone, they won't be very happy if you sneeze on them. So, right, cover your nose with your arm or your hand. Which one do you think is better? Your arm or your hand?
I'm
Which one is? Oh, me too. I think this is better. Why would you say this is better?
because want to eat our germs. My
Yeah,
hand.
then we have to, and we touch our friend, we touch a door, we touch things. So, full of germs. Then we have to wash our hands. Sneeze like this. I agree.
Let.
Well, thank you.
Oh, I think it's this. Oh,
Mm. Now we are going to just answer two questions. It says here, what is something that makes you sneeze? What makes you sneeze?
sick.
Right? Can you say that in a full sentence? I sneeze
When there's so much dust.
in the air.
Nose.
Yeah, and our nose are in the air. So I sneeze when
Uh,
I'm
uh,
sick. I sneeze
when
when there's dust in the air. And some people are allergic when they sneeze.
oh
Do you know that word, allergic?
yes,
Okay, are you allergic to something?
I listen to scratch.
Yes, some people sneeze when they are
Achoo!
allergic. So, what are you allergic of? Cats? Dogs? Certain foods?
Food
Food.
and
Ooh.
um, mm,
Do you know what food you are allergic to?
a thing like this. It's round. It's a long one.
Is it a fruit or a vegetable?
A fruit.
Oh, type of fruit. Okay. Yeah, that can be dangerous.
It's like bananas, apples, but I didn't scratch it with that. It's the
Okay.
kind of that.
Okay. Do you know, is your mom allergic to anything?
Hmm.
Have you asked her?
No, but I I know a thing I could tell. We didn't allow to dogs because we have a dog at home.
Okay, nice. Well, thank you so much, Kyle, for your
Doggy.
excellent work. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
See, see, see,